Hello everyone, today we are reviewing a digital multimeter, Ermenrich Zing TC05. This is a pocket-sized tool designed to solve problems related to electricity and power grids in a wide range of areas. It will come in handy for checking voltage in outlets and switches, diagnosing circuits for breaks and short circuits, and measuring the resistance of wires and fuses. The device is also useful in automotive diagnostics for testing sensors, and wiring, checking battery voltage, and measuring resistance in ignition coils. A multimeter will be useful for repairing electronics, setting up equipment, and much more. As we can see, the device is packaged in very attractive boxes made of pleasant quality cardboard. Well then, let's finally open the box and see what's inside. Here we have the multimeter itself. Included with it is one standard probe, as well as an international warranty and a brief user manual. You can download the full version of the manual via the link or by scanning the QR code. I would like to point out that this multimeter comes with a warranty. It offers a 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects, which is very nice. The Ermenrich Zing TC05 model, despite its compact size, just 17 centimeters long, boasts a wide range of functions. With the True RMS function, you can obtain accurate measurements of alternating voltage, even with non-linear loads, thanks to calculations based on the true root mean square value. The NCV function allows you to detect the presence of voltage in a conductor or circuit without directly touching wires or contacts. You can also measure the electrical capacitance of even large capacitors within an extended range. The tool is equipped with a built-in flashlight. For working in dark rooms, as well as light and sound signaling. In addition, it can measure ambient temperature. The measurement results are displayed on a small but easy-to-read LCD screen. Let's measure the voltage of a 9-volt battery. First, power on the device, then carefully connect the probe. And take the measurement. The device shows us 8.97 units of voltage. I would like to add that the device is lightweight and fits well in the hand. The body is sturdy, giving a sense of reliability. The device looks attractive and expensive. That's all from me for now. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.